It's time to learn why Manuka honey is more than just tasty natural dessert. This stuff has actual healing powers. So, let's begin with 6 stunning benefits of the raw New Zealand Manuka honey. Number 1. Oral health. Research shows Manuka honey is like a tiny superhero fighting the bad germs in your mouth. It fights back with the bacteria that causes yucky plaque, swollen gums, and even tooth decay. Scientists figured out this honey, especially the strong antibacterial kind, puts the brakes on those bacterias. Sorry, but I won't dare to pronounce that. Basically, those guys are the worst when it comes to ruining your smile. Number 2. Wound healing. For ages, people have used honey on cuts, burns, and all sorts of skin troubles. This Manuka honey fights bacteria, reduces swelling, and creates the perfect environment for your skin to fix itself. It's basically nature's bandage. Research shows that Manuka honey kicks those healing properties up a notch. It speeds up new tissue growth and even eases pain for folks with burns. Plus, this special honey could make those stubborn ulcers finally start healing. Manuka honey can even battle those super nasty infections that defeat your regular antibiotics. Number 3. Got a cough? We're talking those super annoying upper respiratory tract infections that leave you hacking, nose dripping, and feeling gross. Most of the time, these infections are caused by viruses. Antibiotics won't do anything but mess with your gut. But a bunch of studies are showing that honey could be a safe and surprisingly effective fix for a bad cough. So it might even work better than those typical over-the-counter cough medicines. Number 4. Gastric ulcers. Stomach ulcers are super common, and that nagging stomach pain, nausea are classic signs of it, and Manuka honey might actually help beat those ulcers. One study looked at 294 people and figured out that those who ate raw Manuka honey a few times a week were way less likely to be troubled by ulcers. Number 5. Improves digestion. If you're dealing with tummy troubles, which isn't the ulcer, then this special New Zealand wizard honey has got you. In case of IBD, which is inflammatory bowel disease that involves inflammation in your gut, it can cause diarrhea, cramps, nausea, basically not fun. Studies on mice show that sipping on Manuka honey regularly might actually help fight C. diff. That's a nasty bacteria that causes serious diarrhea and more inflammation in your gut. Number 6. Acne solution. Acne's a pain, caused by a bunch of things. Hormones, crappy food, stress, even bacteria hanging out on your face. Yuck! You'll see Manuka honey hyped as an acne buster, often alongside stuff that lowers skin pH. The idea is this special honey kills bacteria. Problem is, there's not much actual research proving this works. One study showed some positive results, but it was on par with regular antibacterial soap. So what is your reason to pick the Manuka honey? Tell us in the comments. Stay tuned because we'll be discussing the exotic market of this precious honey in the upcoming video. Bye!